Alright, it'll be a good day today here because we are lining up the body tub, aluminum body tub and aluminum cowl that's been Line-X painted and all that good stuff in relationship to the engine. The engine, as we've been showing you, is positioned. One of the neat things to show is the really neat motor mount that we have designed to go in here, and we're using what looks to be almost like a stock bracket that goes on the frame, is that right? And then we can see it sandblasted here. We're using a stock motor mount and a custom-made adapter type bracket that goes to the engine. So that's a really keen thing and key thing in that it's a stock mount. So in years to come, if you need to replace it, it's a stock Toyota mount, and nothing that's really whiz-bang and hard to chase. We go to the other side, we can kind of see some of the work that's been done over here. Same type of mount. We're still gonna maybe put a gust underneath that. We have a little more to go. But that's also a nice motor mount that's in there. But everything's lined up from a standpoint. We even have our bracket that goes underneath the transmission with an insulator here, and we're going to have to customize that. You can see on either side where that goes. But that will allow us to bend this up and come in, and it will look like a stock mount as well. And that's what we're really interested in. Again, we're using our level here in order to make sure that we're good and level. The engine's sitting level, and that is in fact the case. So we've done a lot of things to ensure that we have a good placement here.